I and most of the Yormis Choice who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo at lola. I love you. Mga nanay at tatay natin na senior citizen at siyempre yung ating mga batang Maynila for for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together. The people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of Manila. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. And for the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours.
Gusto ko yung second, John. Yung pag-usapan
Baliwala yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years na din kay ang taong bayan. So yung pag-hintay namin 26, wala yung maliit na bagay. But when I said we should start healing ourselves, is simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, ni Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of arc of random kindness sa ating isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung magbati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila magkikita sa finals. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So we have an obligation to do in the coming 6 weeks. We will prepare and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why gusto ko we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Ako, okay na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoken. And that we respect. And I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi and I and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it. And we start moving on and we move forward. And hopefully, with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Mabalik ang kaliwalasan, kalinisan, the peace and order situation of the city, kapanatagan ng pamumuhay. And Chichi, leading the City Council, presiding over the session, will come up with their idea on with regard to on how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city, and we will have. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Will you be the first to reach
Now I'm reaching out. I am reaching out, and if there is a chance, of course. Why? You know, at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city. And I am obliged to, do service for them. And that is a job.
Yorme, dati niyo rin po naging vice mayor.
Yes, yes.
Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already or asking you
I don't know, I've
actually
never
said-
heard.
She conceded already. She did.
3 o'clock,
And
okay.
then
What do you think?
you are also calling for polling. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her
Yes.
para talagang mas maging unified ang Maynila?
Thank you, Maris, for asking such questions. Yes, we are. Of course, I did it before. I mean, many times. Even with the former President Joseph P. Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lee. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lim noon eh. Paano mariresolve yung peace and order? Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so if we were allowed to be there. Anytime ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong bakokang sa paa dahil sa pagkakadapa sa buhay. Maraming dapa na, maraming stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, I think we should continue to value o pagpapahalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapahalaga, hindi kita pagpapahalaga sa kinabukasan. Yes, I will.
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila?
Excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang back to zero. But to the people who are watching, sa aking mga kababayan, kung manatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So you're
We'll bring back the certainty, order, and cleanliness in our city.
you're expecting some transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. I mean, then even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norms. That's the normal way to do it so that we can move on. Kasi, this is not about us anymore. It's about the people of Manila. So, if we really love our people that we ought to serve, I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who lives in the city.
How about your son? Number one.
Oo nga. No, thank you mga taga-Tondo Ni-request ko lang manalo eh. Ginawa niyo pang number. I'm really grateful. I'm happy for him. And I told him, naku anak, yari ka. They say talagang now you're given a chance. You have to prove yourself.
Following your footsteps.
Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko na sa kanya, anak, kasi matuturuan kita kung paano maggobyerno. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa iyo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you as a person. In you. Innate. Ano naman? Makikinig. Maawain yun eh. Ano ang puso rin niya, yung madali siyang matouch sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you are sympathetic or what you call empathic sa katayuan ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose being in public office? So I'm excited and happy for him. Congratulations, Joaquin. Ayun, Recto, Kanal, kanto nila, lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila, tampak talaga namin. Total, tapos naman na ang kampanya. We're just being realistic. I'll do my best. I hope that two contractors or the garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingiming kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nagbuti. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan itong pinag-uusapan natin, hindi negosyo nila. Hindi sa sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, ng middle class at mayaman. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ng sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa buhay. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder so I think 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman pa ang mayor. Mga bata, huwag niyo muna ako message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po ako mayor. Mayor-elect pala ako. Kasi marami ako nare-receive na yung tawag dito. Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Hey, Vice Mayor,
Sure.
ini-expect ko pa na ganun kalaki yung matutunan ko. To be honest, when I younger days, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope to the guys. I didn't even think of anything. Hindi ko inisip na siya. Napalitan ko, natawag ko ang kasi sulat ako, napalalakan sila niya. So in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect it. I was just happy. It's a journey po sa kanya. And I'm happy because nakita ko naman kahit paano ko sa kanya rin na tao. Yun sa mga nasabi ko, and okay lang po. Dahil kung naman lang na gagawin natin.
Vice Mayor, majority po ng mga konsehal na mahahalal ay your Miss Choice, yung iba came from other parties. How open are you as presiding officer to take all of these suggestions in so you can craft good ordinances para sa mga taga-Maynila?
So you're asking if
How open are you to like brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makabuo kayo ng maayos na ordinansa?
naniniwala kasi ako sa demokrasya, pati sa pamumuno. Naniniwala ako na importante nakikinig tayo sa bawat konsehal kung ano man ang input nila. And from there, we will be able to craft wise and intellectual and laws and ordinances.
Pasensya na kayo ha, ginabi kayo. I'll see you. Ha? Thank you ha, thank you. Thank you for helping us to look at this situation.
Salamat po.
Thank you. See you.